Hello friends, today we will see topic number 8, static structural analysis. Introduction to static structural analysis. A static structural analysis determines the effect of a steady or static loading conditions on a structure while omitting inertia and damping effects such as those caused by time varying loads. A static structural simulation determines the effect of a steady or static loading on a structure. Stress, strain, and deformation of a structure can be studied under a range of loading conditions. This helps to identify weak areas with low strength and durability at the design stage and avoid expensive failures. Pre-processing. Pre-processing is the stage of the engineering simulations process where engineers create the simulations model. This involves setting up the geometry, what is being tested, applying boundary conditions, what is going to happen, and assignment material properties. Accurate simulation studies are as essentials for making informed decisions in the design process. Incorrect or inaccurate simulations results can lead to costly design changes, delay in the time to market, and in the worst cases, safety risks. Uh, One of the biggest challenges in pre-processing is the meshing. Meshing is the process of dividing the geometry into smaller elements that can be used for simulations. The quality of the mesh can have a significant impact on the accuracy of the simulation results. A poor quality mesh can be lead to incorrect or inaccurate results, while a high quality mesh can be improve the accuracy of the simulation results. In solutions, ANSYS is an American, you can see American multinational company with its headquarters are there based in that two headquarters. It develops and markets CAE public multiphysics engineering simulation software for product designs, testing, and operations, and offers its product and services to customer worldwide. Post processing. What is a post processing? Is an efficient way of validating the result of an analysis. The general post processing is used to review the entire model at one moment in time or frequency, and the time history. Post processor is used to review output at specific locations through the time or frequency range. We will see in the ANSYS workbench now. Open ANSYS Workbench, you can see here, and select static structural, drag and drop here. Now you can see it is loading. Engineering data is completed. Now on a geometry, right click and a new design modular geometry. In design geometry, you can see select XY plane, normal view. After that, go in sketching and draw one object polygon and six sides. You can draw from here. Hmm, okay. After that, go in a modeling, select ZX plane and new sketch, normal view, and draw one. Go in sketching, draw one spline here, spline. Yes, open it. After that, in modeling, go in a sweep, select profile, sketch, select apply, and path, select sketch 2, apply. I want move upside. Okay, now. generate. You can see it is generated. Geometry is completed. Now open main on model, double click. Model is completed. Now generate mesh. You can see, right click and generate mesh. It is generated. After that, go in static structural and add as a fixed support. Right click and insert, and here is a fixed support. After that, select this space and apply. Now select static structural and again add one force, and now apply to the edge and apply. Magnitude is the 20. Enter. Now force 1, it is okay. Force 1, again add one more force and apply to the. In solution, you can add total deformation from here. Total deformation, equivalent stress, and equivalent strain. Okay. After that, direction deformation. Okay. We need to solve it. You can see this one is the result solutions. Now just animate it. You can see this is the result. Thank you. This session is completed.